Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to view rating and reviews on Play Store or how to give rating on some apps. Okay, so friends, before we start the video I want to remind you, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on Play Store, then click on your profile, then here you have to click on manage apps and device. Here you will find the rating and reviews, so click on it. And here is the rating and reviews that I have not give yet. If you want to give some rating and reviews, click on write a review. Okay, if you like these apps, just click many apps that you can give, and you can write some description also. Okay, you can type some description. You can type some description after rating some, giving some stars, then give description. Okay, then click on post. Your rate will be added. Okay, review posted. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.